Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Rani Iqbal. I am from BS Chemistry Department and my age is 15. Now I will discuss the fourth course of Python during data with pandas. Chapter 1 Inner Join. It is for clarity. Tables are equal to data frames, merging equal to joining. There are two types: one-to-one, one-to-many. One-to-one, every row in the left table is related to only one row in the right table. One-to-many, one-to-many, every row in left table is related to one or more rows in the right table. Chapter 2 Left join. Left join, also known as left outer join, returns a data frame containing all the rows of the left data frame. All the non-matching rows of the left data frame contain NaN for the columns in the right table, right data frame. It is simply an inner join plus all the non-matching rows of the left data frame filled with NaN for columns of the right data frame. Performing a left join is actually quite similar to a full join, just change the how arrangement to left. Right join. Right join, also known as right outer join, is similar to the left outer join. The only difference is that all the rows of the right data frame are taken as it is, and only those of the left data frame that are common in both. Similar to other joins, we can perform a right join by changing the how argument to right. Chapter 3 Filtering joins. First of all, mutating joins combines data from two tables based on matching observations in both tables. Filtering joins filter observations from table based on whether or not they match an observation in another table. So, what is a semi-join? Returns the intersection similar to an inner join, returns only columns from the left table and not the right, no duplicates. Chapter 4 Using merge underscore ordered. This diagram shows the left table, right table by using merge underscore ordered, and the result is shown. Method comparison between merge method, dot merge method, and merge underscore ordered. Dot merge method, columns to join on, uh, left underscore on and right underscore on. Type of join: left, right, inner, outer. Default inner, overlapping columns names and calling the method. uh, Merge underscore ordered method, columns to join on, left underscore on and right underscore on. Type of join: left, right, inner, outer. Default outer, overlapping columns names, suffixes and calling the function. That's all for my side. Jazakallah.